Why is my furnace making strange noises? If you are hearing strange noises coming from your furnace, there could be a couple of reasons why this might be happening. Air filters prevent dust, lint, and hair from building up around the evaporator coil. If you are hearing strange noises, this could be because you are running your furnace without a filter. Alternatively, if you hear a strange whistling noise coming from your return air ducts, this could be due to a dirty air filter. See link for full video in the description below.